It's only the first update for my Gold Rush project span, but we already have a major change because from now on I'm adding my wall highlighter collection to the project. First, I'm gonna show you my progress on all the products that I've shown you in the intro, and then we'll talk about the highlighters. I have 3 powder bronzer and I want to finish them all. So first, let's talk about this one, Hoola from Benefit. It's my darkest bronzer and I only use it in summer, and so I didn't use it at all since the intro. Then there's this one from The Balm and I only used it once, so I don't think there is any visible progress on this one. However, the Start Bronzer in Park Avenue Princess is my winter bronzer shade and I've used it 30 times since the intro, so I've used it each and every day that I've done my makeup. And as you can see, there is a ton of movement. I've cleaned up all the upper part of the bronzer and I even have a new side pan on the bottom, and there's not that much left, so I think I can finish it for the next update, which will be super cool. Now we are leaving the powder bronzer department to talk about my loose powder. I use it only hydra shampoo because it's very old. At the intro I was at this golden mark and now I am just below the golden mark. I wasn't able to make a new mark, granted that my first mark was pretty big and messy, but anyway I've used it only once, that's why there isn't that much movement. So now we can talk about the highlighters. Basically what happened was that I found this project to be too easy and too small with only 3 bronzers and a loose powder. And even with another project for my blushes, I wanted something more challenging and more complete for my powder face products. Plus I think it's very fitting with the theme of the project. So I'm introducing all of my powder highlighters and I want to use each of them 50 times at least. I only have 5, so I think it's really doable. I can use them on my face and on my eyes. If I use the same highlighter on my face and on my eyes the same day, I'm only counting 1 use. And if I use 1 highlighter on my face and another one on my eyes the same day, I'm counting 1 use for each highlighter. So now I'm gonna give you my numbers for the last month and I'm gonna show you the 5 highlighters. The first one is Tickle from Benefit and I've only used this one time this last month. Here it is. This one is Golden Pink, it's my favorite, even if it was my least used this last month. Then also from Benefit we have Cookie that I used 4 times this past month. A more champagne one. The third one is this one from Manakada. I don't think it has a name and I've used it 10 times this past month. It's an interesting shade. It looks very peachy on some lights and then it can also look nearly icy, so it's pretty strange, but it's easy to wear. I also wore the 4th one 10 times this past month and I'm not gonna swatch it for you because it's my loose highlighter that I tried to pan last year. I keep believing that this will be the next one I will finish. And my most used highlighter this past month is Marilu from The Balm, another classic champagne shade. I used it a lot on my eyes. And if you remember the liquid highlighter that I also tried to pan last year, I finally finished it, so that's why it's not in this project. So we have an all powder products project. So hopefully next update we'll have our first empty. I hope you like the addition of the highlighter challenge. Thank you for watching and I'll see you soon. Bye!